when we are lucky is where we spotted a rhino, black rhino. But not every time, just always to check, to try.
Oh.
Yes, yeah.
So how many black rhinos do you have in
today we are counting 26.
26.
Yeah, we are counting 26. But we brought 18 from South Africa.
Okay.
It was 2017. 2019 we added 5 from Europe. Yeah, so this year in November, beginning of December is when we introduced the others from South Africa, but which are white rhino. They are normally in the Boma today. So they are very shy also. They are, as you see, they are few. To spot them is not every time. I mean those black rhino. Yeah.
Oh. You miss it.
They breathe, just if they breathe out, you become scared. Yeah, if they do that near the boat, you can drop your phone. You say, oh. Yeah.
Akana kakagona
inyuma yazo
hari inyoni iri
ndakabona ku ruhande ka
doesn't bend like this, just
ndakabona ku ruhande rw'ibumoso
really African that
yose turakajya hirya ku ruhande rw'iryo tureko turashakira ingona na za nzovu zari zihari 5 tureko na twakomeza kuzibona hariya hirya ariko wenda zaba zamuvinze ndi kugira ngo mbere hirya tuze ducekinga
mujya mu mazi iminsi mubihabona
n'ejo twirirwanye nazo umunsi wose